Hi, this is Alex from Beech Hill Garage. On offer we've got this very late 1970 registered MGC Roadster, finished in the stunning white. Car was restored in the early 90s. Lots of receipts in the history folder. So it's an older restoration but still in absolutely stunning condition. Sat on chrome wire wheels with excellent tyres. Overall you can see the car is in really tidy order. Performed really well on test, feels really taut and responsive. Great for longer distances. These MGCs do lollop along, obviously fitted with overdrive, so very relaxed cruising. Panel fit's all good. Car's been fitted with a wind stop, which makes for more pleasant driving with the roof down. As I said, bodywork is all really straight. The restoration is holding up extremely well. Paint finish is really good. As you can hear, it's ticking over nicely, very quiet engine. Interior is all black leather. Dashboard is in nice condition. Some paint sometimes fades on these, but it's still pretty sharp. This is ticking over with good oil pressure. It's been ticking over for a while and temperature's absolutely fine. Give you a look in the boot. There's looks like a hood cover, chrome spare and a jack, fully carpeted. Give you a look under the bonnet of the engine bay. All presented in really nice, clean, tidy condition. Bulkhead's all good. They can be a little bit scruffy sometimes around the master cylinders, but that's all good. Obviously fitted with a servo. So yeah, all good. The car is for sale on behalf of the owner. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beech Hill Garage, and thank you for watching.